Hello, hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to discuss about Lyon's hypothesis. So this name came after a scientist, Lyon, who has described this process. So coming to the topic today, generally in a female cell we see XX chromosome, and in male cell we see XY chromosome. So in female cell, as they contain two X chromosomes, one of the X chromosome is condensed and inactivated, and this condensed X chromosome get attached to the nuclear membrane of the cell. So this process is generally seen in every mammalian cell which contain more than one X chromosome. So this condensed X chromosome is called as bar body, and this is drumstick in appearance, and this process is called as lionization, which is inactivation, and this process is generally seen in interphase of cell cycle, where we can clearly observe the drumstick appearance of condensed X chromosome. Then when it is when we can observe that darkly when we can observe it means when it is darkly stained, that is heterochromatin. Then this generally occurs. Why it occurs? This process generally occurs due to for the balancing of X chromosome, as female contain XX and male contain XY. So female contain two X chromosomes, which is not necessary. If it contains like that only, so if it is present like that only, so this forms double protein, double genes formation, so which leads to metabolic disorder, metabolic changes and genetical changes. So for the dosage compensation, this process occurs, and this bar body presence or absence of this will determine the sex of fetus. So if it is present, we can say that it is female, fetus is female, and if it is absent, we say it male is baby boy is coming out. Then how it occurs, this process? So generally begins from zygote. So in zygote, we are saying in female, right? So XX chromosome. So in embryonic development, as zygote continuously divides and forms into number of cells, so at one stage, that is mosaic stage. Why it is called? Because every cell contains XX chromosome. So each cell of XX chromosome, one X is inactivated. That is, it may be from either paternal or maternal. Random inactivation occurs. So there are 50-50 chances. We don't know what will condense, either paternal or maternal. So this is called as mosaic stage. So this is clearly seen in cats, because cats, they contain as they contain patches of skin, that is orange or black, like that. So this is not at all confused. Don't at all confused with codominance. Codominance is completely different. Codominance means equal genes. Two genes perform half. But in this process, they are not like that. This process is completely different. That one is either in any cell, one is inactivated. So that's it, guys. Bye.